Hello. In this video, we will learn how to convert a Google form into an editable document format. So let's begin. Let's say this is the test form that we want to convert. So first thing I'll do is click on the three dots above on top right, then click on print. Now in this dialog box that opens, destination save as PDF and save. Now it will ask me where to save. So I have chosen a folder where I want to save it. Let's say in Google Drive, in my drive, and okay, here I want to save it in my drive. Save. Now this form is saved in PDF form in my drive. Now I go to my drive and see over there, yes, this is the PDF that has been made. Now I'll right click on this PDF and choose open with Google Docs. Now this file has opened in Google Docs in edit mode. Now I can make whatever changes I want to make, but I am more comfortable using my word processor. You can use any Microsoft Word or any other word processor. If you are comfortable with Google Docs, you can edit it over here itself. I find it comfortable with my document word processor that I use is OpenOffice Writer. So what I'll do is Control A to select all, Control C. Now I have opened a blank document in OpenOffice Writer in my word processor. I press Control V over there. So now all the contents are pasted over here. The test form may be in multiple pages. Now, if we want to give this test in offline mode, I want to reduce the number of pages. So I want to cut off the unnecessary space. How I will do it? Let us see. First of all, I want all the font to be of same size. So again, I press Control A and I choose common text size, let us say 12. Right. So now all font in the entire document is of font size 12. Now, second thing, again, I press Control A to select all. Now I will go to format paragraph. And I do not want any extra lines between paragraphs or any extra spacing between the lines. So what I'll do is I'll choose before text 0, after text 0, first line 0, spacing above paragraph 0, below paragraph 0, line spacing single, okay. So all extra space before each paragraph, after each paragraph is removed now. Now what I'll do is I do not want these fields, email, name, roll number in this. So I'll just select them and delete. Now this first three questions were name, roll number, email address, which I have deleted. So now my first question becomes this, which is numbered 4. So I'll change its number to 1. Now, in every question, we will find this text written 1 point from Google Form. I want to remove this from every question. So what I'll do is I'll select it, then press Control F. Search for 1 point. It's all automatically taken 1 point. replace with. I do not want to replace it with anything. I just want it to be removed. So I leave this field as it is, replace with, and I'll click on replace all. So 1 point that was written in each question is gone. Now, again, in each question, these words are appearing, mark only one oval. I again select these, press Ctrl F. Search for mark only one oval. Replace with again nothing because I simply want to remove it. I click on replace all. So these words are also gone from each question. I do not need to delete them separately from every question. Now I want to save on some more space, because in this format it is going to consume a lot of pages if it is going to be conducted offline. So what I'll do is, below question 1 in the next line, I write I press space and delete. First option comes here. Now I press and tab B dot space delete. Second option comes here. Again and tab C dot space delete. Third option comes here and tab D dot space delete. So all my 4 options have come in a single row now. Similarly, next question, I change the question number from 5 to 2. In the next line, I press tab A dot space delete. First option has come. Now and tab B dot space delete. Second option has come here. And tab C dot space delete. Third option. Again and tab D dot space delete. All 4 options in the same row. Similarly, I'll keep doing for each and every question. Suppose I have 50 questions in total. This will reduce my number of pages substantially. And then finally, I can save this document and we are done. Thank you.